Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm standing here in this Puma 37 PFL. Comes out weighing just under 10,300 pounds and has a overall length of 40 feet even. This is the back of the camper, which is also where the master bedroom is at. And this is technically a destination camper, and I'll talk about that a little bit more later on in the video. So here in the master bedroom, you have a huge king size mattress. Most of your destination campers will have a king size bed, so that is definitely a plus. You can lift it up for some extra storage underneath, and I love that the bed is located in the slide out, so you have a lot of walking space on either side of your bed, in front of it, so you can get ready in here in the morning. Next to it is a wall decal art that does come with the camper, which is pretty cool. And then here is a screen door, which can be placed on your sliding door, and we'll pass by that in a second, but they just place it here for storage purposes. Shelves are on both sides, so you can have some decorations or your personal belongings up there. And then a couple cabinets are hanging just above. The window actually does open up, so you can have a nice breeze going when you're trying to sleep, smell the campfire air. Across the way is a dresser, countertop space. You can have a TV placed up there, but if you would rather hang one up, you can do that too. You also have your own private entrance into the master bedroom. So if your kids need to go to bed early, you're wanting to stay out by the campfire, you can just come in through this outside entrance and not have to wake anybody up. Coming all the way to the back, you have a spot where you are prepped for a washer and dryer unit, but you can also just use this for some storage space if you want. And then your wardrobe. All of these doors open up. The two center have mirror panels on them, and they all open up to one space. So the clothes rack extends from this side all the way to the other side, as well as the shelf above. AC here, so you can stay nice and cool. And then as we exit, behind this door is the bathroom, sit-down shower towards the back. I like this teal colored sliding shower glass door. And then of course your foot flush toilet with a toilet paper holder. You don't see that very often. Storage space, it goes back pretty far, so it's super deep. You can fit lots of towels and washcloths in there. Hook is above your toilet. And then of course your sink. This is a stainless steel bowl. Storage below, power, toothbrush holder and soap holder, and then of course your medicine cabinet. And it's not directly across, but it's kind of diagonal. You have your sliding glass door. All your destination trailers have sliding glass doors. That's what makes them stand out from other types of campers. And this is also where that screen will get placed. You can have, again, a nice breeze open, let the campfire smell, or just some fresh air into your camper. So getting to the main entertaining space of the camper, to my left, you have this coffee bar, breakfast bar, credenza, whatever you want to call it. Some storage is down below, and then you have all of this countertop space for whatever you want. A couple outlets are on the back wall paneling, so you can have your coffee makers plugged in here, air fryers, things like that. A couple hooks too for your keys, dog leashes, and whatnots. And then some cabinets above. I also love the colors of the countertops. I think they're really, really pretty. And then turning around, a huge residential size stainless steel refrigerator. Can never figure out which side is the one that opens. Another feature for your destination campers is they have residential features in them, which is really cool. Next to that, you have additional countertop space, storage below, microwave, extra cabinet, range hood, a residential size oven and stovetop. So you have 4 burners, which is so cool. Some storage back here for your spices, and then a gigantic, it is locked, gigantic oven. You can fit a huge turkey in there if you want. Pantry space. And then across from all of this, you have your island that features the sink. And it is an open mount stainless steel sink with a matching hard top cover, so you can use that for even more countertop space. Storage below, spray faucet, gorgeous light pendants too. And then across the way is your freestanding dinette. So your chairs are not mounted in the floor. You can honestly move these to your living room space if you need extra seating. They have this really comfortable plush material on it as well, and you can lift it up and have some placemats stored away, coloring books, a deck of cards, things like that. Our sale price is looking at $48,985 for everything. And then coming into this gorgeous front living room, theater reclining seats are next to your dinette space, built-in cup holders, remote control storage. Storage is there above, and you have roller shades all throughout the camper too, so you can kind of block out that sunlight. USB port. All the way at the front is your sleeper sofa, so you can extend this out for your kids to sleep, or your friends, anyone who wants to stay with you. And I love the windows all the way at the front. A couple end tables are on both sides, as well as outlets. And when it is extended out into the bed position, you can still access everything that you want in the kitchen, get breakfast ready for your kids in the morning. And then across from your theater seats is the entertainment center. 31-inch all-electric fireplace down below, so this actually kicks off some heat, but you can turn it on without the heat and just have it going during the summer nights. Bluetooth speaker system is there above, and then a 40-inch LED swivel TV. So this can change the position if you want. But let me show you the outside real quick. Okay, so here on the outside, you have very large propane tanks at the front. One slide out on your camping side, and then your sliding glass door with your bedroom entrance. Huge power awning that stretches all the way to this slide out, so you have a lot of shaded living space that you can relax underneath. Fresh water connection, power, LP quick connect. And then all the way at the back, you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. Access to your water heater. Two more slide outs on your non-camping side, and this is actually some storage space that you can get to from underneath your master bedroom. It's actually locked, but when I said before, in the master bedroom you can lift it up for some extra storage, or you can just access it right here if something happens to slide closer towards where you can't reach it. Outside shower, black tank flush, city water connection, another LP quick connect. And this has front and rear manual scissor style jacks. So if you have any questions about this 37 PFL, feel free to let us know.